How to create and manage signatures in Apple Mail. A signature is automatically placed at the end of each email message. Let's see how to create one. Go to Mail. Click Preferences. Select the Signatures tab. To delete a signature, select it and click the minus sign. Clicking OK will permanently remove the signature. This cannot be undone. Let's add a new signature by clicking the plus icon. Give this signature a name. Click in this box and type to edit the signature. It's possible to create different signatures for each email address you have added to Mail instead of using the same one for all accounts. Click An Account. Now add a new signature as we did in the last step. Set the default signature to use for this account. That's it! Now you know how to create and manage your signatures.